Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to buy tickets for Colosseum Rome. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to this link right here, thecolosseum.org/tickets, and after that you have to scroll down, and in here you find all the offers that you have right here. But basically, say for example you just wanted to visit the Colosseum, so you just have to press right here. And after that, it's going to take you to this page right here. And after that, you have to select one of these offers right here. Let's say you wanted to, for example, to visit the Colosseum and also wanted to visit some other places right here. You can basically select from this page right here. And down here, you have some offers as well if you wanted to visit multiple places. But we'll stick with the Colosseum for now. So basically, there is some available tickets right here. You have to just select the time. Let's say, for example, we wanted to go on Friday. And after that, we'll scroll down and you press on the bundle that you want. And after that, you scroll down and you select, as I said, the bundle that you want. And you have to choose which time. And after that, you select your ticket and you press book now. And in here, you can select some other places if you wanted to add it to your ticket. But there is some extra fee, so we're just gonna go to the next step. And right here, you have to type in your first and last name and also the address and your phone number, and you'll be ready to go. And just have to press on confirm. And after that, it's gonna take you to the payment. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.